welcome back. Today's video is going to be the BabyList baby registry gift box that you get for free for signing up. Correction, it ain't free. You pay like $5 for shipping. I think it's $4.95. So this is the only baby gift box that I paid for. So I got the Amazon one for free, the Target one is free, and the Walmart.com one, baby registries, they just send you a box of freebies. This one I had to pay $4.95 for shipping. Now I'm okay with it. You guys will see what I got in it and you can determine for yourself if it's worth it. So what you do is you go to BabyList.com. I downloaded the app and then they make you like create an account. You add 3 things from their site onto the registry and you add 3 things from other sites to your registry, and then you pay the $4.95 and they'll ship you the gift box. And it said like it could take a few weeks, but I got it pretty quickly. All this crap behind me, that pink thing is my baby bathtub and the thing next to it is our car seat. I'm waiting to like get all this stuff down. I'm about 33 weeks pregnant when you're watching this, so starting to get in baby mode, but this is kind of where all that crap has been pushed. And the best, cleanest part of my house actually. There's just stuff everywhere. There's like my shoes. That's the bottle drying rack my daughter's been playing with. So anyway, so the inside of the box, I did open it, so sorry, but the inside of the box says, "Hello, baby." And then it was like taped really nicely with tissue paper. And it says BabyList. So presentation-wise, it looks good. And you can actually find a link online that shows like what you get in the box, and you have to read it really carefully. Because it'll be like, Carter's 5-pack of baby onesies. And there's like white, gray, black, whatever, like a bunch in the 5-pack. And you're like, okay. And then you get it and it only has 1 onesie in the box. And you're like, they just link to like a sample of what the thing is. Or they'll be like, we love these pumps. Now, obviously my breast pump is not gonna be free in this box. It's $200 or something like that. And they'll give you like, this is just a silly example, but they'll give you like a piece of the flange. It's like, well, great, like a replacement part for something. You're like, cool. Or they'll give you like a gift card to that thing, like that'll pay part of it, and you still have to pay for shipping, or you know. So it's not, just read the descriptions very carefully. Look into it on Google, but I'm going to show you what's actually in mine. So there's these socks. These are by Ingrid and Isabel. This is different. They call these maternity socks, but this is the first ones. They say Ma Ma. At the top of the feet say Ma, and then the bottom say Ingrid and Isabel, and they have the rubber like non-slip. So I think I'm going to take these to the hospital. I mean, they are cute, and I am having a girl, so it didn't ask me that, by the way. But yeah, just Mama. I think they're cute. Would I like pay money for them? No. Nope. But I guess I kind of did. Another thing that was kind of different is most of these subscription boxes give you a sample of wipes, like a little packet. And they're usually like 6 for Pampers and 10 wipes for other brands. This water wipes one is 28 wipes. Like that's not nothing, you know? Like that's a few bucks. This is great on the go, like for like in the diaper bag and stuff, and it's got like the good closure. 99.9% water with a drop of fruit extract. So I'm happy to have that, and 28 is a pretty good deal. So this is that Carter's onesie that I was just telling you about. You get 1 plain white onesie in a 3-month size from Carter's. It says, "Welcome to the family, a special gift just for you, exclusive coupon on the back." And I don't see a coupon. Oh, a 15% off your purchase of $30 or more coupon from Carter's. But yeah, it's literally just like a plain white onesie in a 3-month size from Carter's. So, I mean, short sleeve. I'll use it. It's fine. But yeah, am I like out of focus? Sometimes I feel like I'm kind of fuzzy. Okay. And then there's this. This is like a zipper pouch from Pampers. And it has a little handle. And inside is 1 diaper. This is a size 1 Pampers Swaddler diaper. 1 pack of Pampers Sensitive Clean wipes, and 6 of them in here, Pampers wipes. And then there's one use of Dreft detergent for newborn stage 1. One single use of liquid detergent in a packet. And then some like info sheets. This is just info, nothing good. I was looking for good coupons, you know. Oh, okay. $2 off Dreft, 25 cents off Dawn, $1 off Pampers wipes, $1.50 off 1 Pampers Swaddlers, and they expire September 30th, and it's July already, so, I mean, if you're gonna buy them anyway, cool, thanks for the coupon. And then this is by Evenflo. It's the Evenflo Balance Plus Pacifier, and it says, develop with pediatric feeding specialists. How old? Oh, I guess this package can sanitize the pacifier up to 5 times. And you like microwave it. This is for 0 to 6 months. I think. It says there's 2 different shapes, cylinder shape or orthodontic shape. I think this is the cylinder one, yeah. So yeah, you put it back in this packet and you microwave it, and then it steams it and cleans it. So that's kind of neat, a sterilizer pouch for the pacifier, but it's just a clear binky. We don't have any by Evenflo, so that's kind of cool. Hey Mama, this one's for you, $25 off. $25 to treat yourself at ingridandisabel.com. Offer valid only when you spend $100 or more. See what I mean? Gives you a code, and then bonus, you get that pair of socks. You, pregnant, growing a human, nothing fits, can't button pants, boobs, 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 uncomfortable, yeah, we get you. It's just like a stupid little sign thing. But yeah, that's the Ingrid and Isabel socks I showed you first. Another thing, My Livana, $20 off a baby monitor, but these are like a couple $100 probably. So this is by Skip Hop. It's the GWP Starry Rattle. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can actually see it. I haven't opened this. It is a rattle, or like a teether, I don't know. It is the Silver Lining Cloud Rattle, ages 3 months plus. BPA free, phthalate free. Textured surface for teething. So yeah, it's like a cloud, and then stars and little raindrops, I guess, or these little teal ones. Yeah, free rattle. I mean, I say free, but you know, I paid to ship it, so. And then in here is a 25% off skiphop.com coupon. No restrictions, expires April 2020. Yeah. So that's pretty good if you were going to buy something anyway. You get this BabyList baby registry guide, and it's just like a whole book about putting things on your baby registry. It mentions all these brands that they're probably affiliated with somehow. You get an Evenflo Balance Plus bottle. This is the, how many ounces? 5 ounce, 0 month plus slow flow bottle. So we have no bottles by this brand. And I think that, I don't know much about it, but it's good to have a different bottle because you never know if your kid's going to take to whatever you bought. So like I have a bunch of Medellas from my Medella pump, and then I kept some other ones because what if my kid hates Medella bottles? Then I got to try different ones, you know. And then by Ubi, which I think they make like the diaper pails. This is the on-the-go bag refills. So they kind of remind me of the dog poop bags, you know, but they're diaper bag disposers. Like you can use them to like throw away a poopy diaper. They do sell, I guess, like cute dispensers and mats and stuff, but it's a roll of the lavender scented diaper bag, poop bag things. Perfect for a quick change when out and about. Best paired with our bag and dispenser. Yeah, well, I'm not gonna buy your bag, but thanks. Got a Noodle and Boo newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash and a Noodle and Boo super soft lotion, baby massage lotion packets. They're just, you know, single use. Lancino 2 nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. I think I've gotten this in every single box I've gotten from all the different places. That's almost it, guys. This is the Happy Family is registered at BabyList.com. These are like the little cards that you give out for your invitations for a baby shower. Like you put them in the envelope with your stuff. This is just stupid, nothing. Lancino, lanolin, like for your nipples, nipple cream. And that's one single use. This is a Yummy, Y-U-M-I. It looks like a gift card or like a coupon. Let's see what it is. I haven't even looked, but it's a nice little package that's very hard to remove. Yummy.com, a special gift for you. $35. Try the fresh organic baby food service everyone is talking about. $35, and they give you a code. Valid for first-time customers. Cannot be combined with other offers. Okay, so Yummy.com, baby food. Well, won't need that till baby's like 6 months old, and even then, probably won't use it. And then T is a clothing brand. Join the adventure, a $25 gift for you. See back for details. This is a coupon code for $25 off TEA. Kids, they have newborn to size 16 children's clothes. tcollection.com. You get $25 off your order with a subtotal of $50 or more. Expires December 31st. And last is an Instacart. Same day grocery delivery, $20 off your first Instacart order. Credit valid until July 15th. Well, that's not very long. On an Instacart of $35 or more, but you get $20 off your first order at Instacart. That's pretty cool. And yeah, that is everything in this box. So what do you guys think? Worth $4.95? 28 wipes, a onesie, a pacifier, a bottle, a rattle, pair of socks, one diaper from Pampers. I mean, I guess that's good. $4.95? What do you guys think? That is it for me. If I was having another baby, I don't think I would do this registry again. I'd do the Amazon, Target, and Walmart for sure. But like, did I need it? And then there's just a bunch of coupons for things that I'm not sure I'm going to use. So if there's like a $50 purchase required, but then I get a $25 gift card, well, I didn't want $25 worth of stuff from your website, but if it was free, I would. You know what I mean? All right, that is it. My thoughts. I could probably take it or leave it. I like that this BabyList site lets you link other registries. So like if you have a registry at Amazon, you have one at Target, you have one at Walmart, you can put them all on one listing, and then it'll purchase them from wherever the person decides they want to purchase. So that is convenient and nice, but I wish the box was free. Since I'm not planning on actually using the registry, I already had my baby shower. I don't truly need anything since I already have a daughter who's 2 and I'm having another girl, but I like getting free stuff. So that is it for my review and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.